Yes, law firms can advertise in the United States, but there are certain rules and regulations that they must follow to ensure their advertising practices are ethical and compliant with legal standards. The American Bar Association, ABA, and state bar associations provide guidelines and rules for attorney advertising to maintain professionalism and protect consumers. Here are some key points to consider regarding law firm advertising in the USA. Truthfulness and accuracy. All advertising by law firms must be truthful and accurate. Lawyers cannot make false or misleading statements about their qualifications, services, or outcomes. Avoiding deceptive practices. Law firms must avoid using deceptive practices or language that could confuse or mislead potential clients. Statements that create unjustified expectations or imply guarantees about case outcomes are generally not allowed. Prior results. Advertising specific results or successes from past cases may be allowed, but they must be accurately presented and not create unrealistic expectations. Client testimonials and endorsements. Some states allow client testimonials, while others have restrictions on their use. If testimonials are used, they should be genuine and representative of typical experiences. Comparative or superlative claims. Making comparative or superlative claims about a law firm's services should be done with caution and substantiated evidence. Avoid making claims that could be interpreted as unfairly denigrating competitors. Clear identification. Advertisements must clearly identify the responsible law firm or attorney, including contact information and location. Confidentiality and privacy. Law firms must respect client confidentiality and not reveal sensitive information without the client's consent. Specialization and expertise. If a law firm claims to specialize in a particular area of law, the attorneys should have the necessary expertise and experience in that area. Online advertising. Online advertising, including websites and social media, must adhere to the same ethical and regulatory standards as traditional advertising. Regulatory oversight. State bar associations have the authority to regulate attorney advertising within their respective states. These regulations can vary, so law firms must be aware of the rules specific to their jurisdiction. It's essential for law firms to familiarize themselves with the advertising rules and guidelines established by their state bar association and the ABA. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in disciplinary actions and negative consequences for a law firm's reputation. If a law firm plans to engage in advertising, it's advisable to seek guidance from legal professionals who specialize in legal ethics or consult the rules and guidelines provided by their state's bar association.